Alright guys, quick garage update. Finished putting back together the Roger Bourget chopper, the S&S 113 motor. I took it out for a ride today, rode the bike for like 10 miles, just breaking it in. I got the Honda, got the wheels back for the Honda, put the wheels back on it. I'll just show you real quick and then we'll get out of here. But got the wheels put on it, front and back. I'm in the process of changing the brake pads, front and rear. Just set that back up on there for now. All I got left to do is the spark plugs, drain the coolant, replace the coolant. And last night I ordered the 12-inch apehangers and a cable extension kit for his 12-inch apehangers. So that'll be next week and this will be done, all ready to go for the season. He'll be riding good and looking good. As good as you can for a Honda. But she's a clean bike. Let me stop busting on him. Alright, so with the Dragon being done, let me take you over there. That clears up a table. I put my Flathead up on there. I got stuff to do to it. So let's go check it out. Bear with me. Alright, so the Dragon is done. She's running real good. I just got to break her in now. Still have issues with the front brakes. The rear brakes are good. The clutch is good. So she won't be here much longer. That frees up this table and that frees up space for my Flathead so I can get back to this girl. Give me a second. Alright. So the Flathead still having intake issues. So I'm going to pull the carburetor. Going to pull the intake. All the intake seals. I'm going to put a new intake on. Use my pressure tester. Make sure I'm good before I put the carburetor all back on. I'll take the carburetor all apart if I have to. Clean it back up again, which she already was once. But it's good to see the old girl back on the table. I could just look at her all night. I don't even need anything to do on her. I'll just shine her up. She's so pretty. So, like I said, I'll get this out of here. I got a whole new intake manifold. I don't know if I'm going to use it or not. I got all new plumbing nuts. As a matter of fact, we can go take a look at that. But the Dragon, she's up and running. This is what I got for the Flathead. Alright, this came as a kit. It gives you an intake, cadmium plated intake manifold nuts. But I also bought chrome nuts because I think that'll look cooler. Chrome don't get you home. Yeah, I know. I bought some extra. See, the kit comes with an intake. See, this is what I don't like. I don't like this black one. It's like a dull black. I don't like that. I like that silver one I got in there. I'll try not to use this. Maybe I could high temp paint it silver like that one. It's probably what they did. Because this one's really, it's nice. It's got a lot of thickness to it. Nothing's worn out, so I know that it'll be good. So like I said, this comes as a kit. You get that, you get a set of seals, and you get the cadmium plated plumber's nuts. I bought an extra set of seals and the chrome nuts, which I plan on using. So that's that. All right, this was just a quick shop update. I'll let you look at the old Flatty. But I'll film some videos taking apart the carburetor, taking it off, taking the intake manifold off. I'll do all that. Make some quick videos on that in case anybody wants to see that. But alright guys, I'll keep putting out videos if you keep watching it and you keep liking and commenting. I want to give a little shout out to Bender and then my buddy Mac. He gives me a lot of good advice on the Flathead. But my buddy Bender, he's the first one to watch every video, and he's the first one to comment. But, alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Whoa, just almost tripped over the dragon. Damn thing.